Welcome to the channel, guys. Today, we have an incredibly exciting topic to discuss: how to get rich with artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is transforming industries and creating countless opportunities for entrepreneurs and investors alike. In this video, we'll explore various ways you can leverage AI to build wealth. So, let's dive right in. Before we get into the specifics, let's start with a quick overview of what AI is. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. It encompasses a wide range of technologies, such as machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and more. Now let's discuss some practical ways you can tap into the potential of AI to create wealth. Remember, these strategies require dedication, knowledge, and perseverance. The first method involves developing your own AI applications. If you have programming skills or are willing to learn, creating AI-powered software or applications can be highly lucrative. To embark on this journey, you'll need to gain a strong understanding of AI programming languages like Python and frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch. Online resources, tutorials, and courses are available to help you learn and develop your skills. Developing AI applications requires a comprehensive approach. Begin by identifying a problem or need in a particular industry that can be addressed through AI. Conduct thorough market research to understand the demand for your AI solution and identify potential competitors. Once you have a solid understanding of the problem, you can start designing and implementing your AI application. This process involves data collection, data pre-processing, algorithm development, and model training. Depending on the complexity of your application, you may need to invest in cloud computing resources or high-performance hardware. Once your AI application is ready, you can monetize it through various means. One option is licensing your software or offering it as a service to other businesses. Alternatively, you can consider launching your own AI startup and market your solution directly to customers. Remember that building a successful AI application requires ongoing maintenance, updates, and continuous improvement based on user feedback. The AI industry is evolving rapidly, and staying updated with the latest advancements is crucial. Join AI communities, attend conferences, and participate in hackathons to expand your knowledge and network with other AI enthusiasts. Remember, continuous learning and adapting to new technologies will help you stay ahead in the AI game. Another way to capitalize on the AI revolution is by investing in AI companies. With AI becoming a core part of many businesses, investing in AI-focused startups or established companies can yield significant returns. Before diving into AI investments, it's crucial to conduct thorough research on the company's technology, market potential, and leadership team. Look for companies that are leveraging AI to disrupt industries or solve critical problems. Investing in AI companies requires a strategic approach. Start by educating yourself about the AI landscape and understanding the different sectors where AI is making an impact. Look for companies that have a strong track record of innovation and are positioned to benefit from AI adoption. One option is to invest in publicly traded AI companies through the stock market. Research and evaluate the financial health, growth prospects, and competitive advantages of these companies. Keep in mind that investing in individual stocks carries risks, so diversify your portfolio to spread out the risk. Alternatively, you can invest in AI-focused venture capital funds. These funds pool investors' money to invest in promising AI startups. By investing in a fund, you gain exposure to a diversified portfolio of AI companies and benefit from the expertise of professional fund managers. As with any investment, it's essential to monitor your AI investments regularly. Stay informed about market trends and be prepared to adjust your portfolio as needed. AI-driven trading, also known as algorithmic trading or automated trading, is another method to potentially accumulate wealth. This approach involves leveraging AI algorithms and machine learning to make trading decisions in financial markets. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, detect patterns, and execute trades with incredible speed and precision. However, it's important to note that algorithmic trading carries risks, and success relies on thorough testing, ongoing optimization, and risk management strategies. Risk management is crucial in algorithmic trading. Implementing stop-loss orders, position sizing strategies, and other risk mitigation techniques can help protect your capital. It's worth mentioning that algorithmic trading requires a significant time commitment and a disciplined approach. It's not a guaranteed path to wealth and should be approached with caution. If you have expertise in AI or can assemble a team of AI professionals, providing AI consulting services can be a lucrative venture. Building a strong reputation and establishing credibility in the field is essential for attracting clients. AI consulting services can range from advising businesses on AI adoption strategies to implementing AI solutions tailored to their specific needs. To succeed in this field, it's crucial to develop deep expertise in AI technologies, industry trends, and best practices. Start by defining your consulting niche. Identify industries or business functions where AI can have a significant impact, such as healthcare, finance, or supply chain management. Understand the pain points and challenges these industries face and position yourself as a problem solver. Develop customized AI strategies and implementation plans, considering factors such as data availability, infrastructure requirements, and ethical considerations. As an AI consultant, you may need to collaborate with other professionals, such as data scientists, software engineers, and business analysts, to deliver comprehensive solutions. Building a multidisciplinary team can enhance the breadth and depth of your consulting services. Ensure that you stay updated with the latest advancements in AI technologies and methodologies. Continuous learning and professional development are crucial in the fast-paced field of AI. Consider attending industry conferences, workshops, and online courses to expand your knowledge and stay ahead of the curve. Remember, successful AI consulting is not just about technical expertise. Effective communication, project management skills, and the ability to translate complex concepts into practical solutions are equally important. Building strong client relationships and delivering exceptional value will help you establish a reputable consulting practice. Developing AI applications, investing in AI companies, exploring AI-driven trading, and providing AI consulting services all have the potential to create wealth. However, it's essential to approach each strategy with thorough research, continuous learning, and a long-term perspective. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on AI, technology, and entrepreneurship. Remember, getting rich with AI requires dedication, perseverance, and a passion for continuous learning. As always, feel free to leave your questions or comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of AI.